How can you prevent overfitting in a regression model? To prevent overfitting in a regression model, regularization, apply techniques like lasso or ridge regularization to penalize large coefficients. Cross-validation, use cross-validation to ensure the model generalizes well to unseen data. Simplify model, reduce the complexity of the model by selecting fewer features or using simpler models. Pruning, for tree-based models, prune the trees to remove less significant branches. Early stopping, stop training when performance on a validation set starts to degrade. Data augmentation, increase training data volume and diversity if possible. These methods help create a more robust and generalized regression model. How is mean absolute error calculated? Mean absolute error measures the average magnitude of errors between predicted and actual values without considering their direction. To calculate mean absolute error, calculate absolute errors, determine the absolute difference between each predicted value and the corresponding actual value. This removes the effect of positive or negative signs, focusing only on the size of the error. Some absolute errors, add up all these absolute differences to get the total error. Average the sum, divide this total error by the number of data points to get the average error. Mean absolute error gives a clear indication of the average prediction error in the same units as the data. What is the error term in a linear regression model? The error term in a linear regression model, also known as the residual, represents the difference between the observed actual value and the value predicted by the model. It captures the amount of variability in the dependent variable that the independent variables do not explain. The error term accounts for factors like measurement errors, model misspecification, and inherent randomness in the data. In a regression equation, it is often denoted by epsilon and is assumed to have a mean of 0 and a constant variance, indicating no systematic pattern left unexplained by the model. What is mean absolute error? Mean absolute error is a metric used to measure the average magnitude of errors in a set of predictions without considering their direction. It is the average of the absolute differences between predicted values and actual values. It provides a straightforward indication of the average prediction error in the same units as the data. It is widely used due to its simplicity and interpretability, making it easy to understand and communicate. Especially useful in regression problems where understanding the average size of the errors is important for evaluating model performance.